Welcome to Astutik Jewelry. We are a jewelry manufacturing company, fine jewelry, accepting custom orders, also providing service, gold plating, diamond setting, washing, resize, repair, etc. At Astutik Jewelry, we believe that each piece of jewelry is a reflection of the wearer's unique story. Each of our design is inspired by natural beauty, cultural heritage, and a personal touch that make each piece of jewelry more than just an accessory. Our product, from eye-catching engagement rings to elegant pendant, our collection includes a variety of styles and materials. We use high quality of gold and focus on details to ensure that each of our product is not only durable, but also exudes charm and elegance. Unmatched quality. We only use high-quality materials and deliver jewelry with high-quality standard. Custom design. We understand that every story is different. That is why we offer custom design service to create truly unique jewelry. Excellent customer service. Customer satisfaction is our priority, and our team is ready to help you every step of your jewelry journey. Production process. Each of our pieces of jewelry is made with love and care by our talented craftsmen. Every stage of production is closely monitored to ensure that the final product reflects the highest quality standards. Vision. Providing beauty and quality without compromise. We are committed to creating beautiful, high quality, and unique jewelry for every customer. Mission. Becoming an iron of excellence in the world of fine jewelry, presenting unrivaled works of art and becoming a mark of prestige for jewelry lovers around the world. Our workshop address is on Jalan Tukad Gangga, number 9A, South Denpasar, Bali. Thank you for visiting our channel. We really appreciate your criticism and suggestion. Leave a comment below if you have questions. Thank you so much for your nice attention.